Hello guys, so in today's video I actually want to talk about my favorite dry shampoo of the moment. I've actually been using this dry shampoo for about 2 months, I want to say. And the thing about this dry shampoo is that it's from Trader Joe's. I mean, what? Trader Joe's dry shampoo? And honestly, to me, like, oh, you know, dry shampoo from Trader Joe's is like unexpected, obviously, but I'm surprised. I've actually been really liking it, like I said, for the past 2 months. And it's my go-to. I used to use the IGK, this one right here, which I still like, but honestly I prefer this one over this one 100%. I mean, I'm pretty sure you guys all know how the IGK works, you know, the spritz or whatever. And the thing with this one is a powder, as you guys can see, and honestly it doesn't smell bad at all. It has a pretty nice scent, and I just really like the way it makes your hair, I guess, look. Obviously it absorbs the oil, which is what we need in a dry shampoo, but this one, it doesn't leave your hair like all like hard, you know, like with the regular dry shampoos. Like most of the dry shampoos do that, you know, like after, say if I use the dry shampoo for maybe the second day hair or whatever, it's still fine. It's almost like fresh hair, but better because you can actually still style it. And honestly, it's been working pretty good for me. It does have its downsides as everything, you know, especially because you see it's powder, and if there's anything left in the, I guess, the little nozzle thing, it spills. I don't know if you guys can see that, like just coming out. Just tapping it, sometimes it comes out just like that. And sometimes it's actually kind of hard to make it to, I guess, grab the powder again. You just have to like tap it, work with it, but it'll work fine. And one thing that I obviously like is that it's actually pretty affordable compared to even the IGK like the travel size. So that's obviously kind of like a win-win, you know, like it's works really well, and it's actually pretty affordable. And obviously another good thing about it is that it doesn't leave the white residue, you know, in your hair. You obviously have to blend it in, but I try to do, even with just any other dry shampoo, I'll just apply it in my hair, and then if I'm doing my makeup or doing whatever else I'm doing, I just let it sit, and after a while and then it's honestly good to go. I just want to show you guys real quick how I guess I use it, which I'm pretty sure you guys already know how to use dry shampoo, but there's a thing about the pump that I feel like you can control the amount of dry shampoo that you can, like I guess, release in one section. Obviously with the other dry shampoos like the IGK, you know, the spritzy kind, you just let go of the thing and you control that as well. But I feel like this has a better control because of the powder. Let me show you guys. Just gonna part my hair and just go like this. You see, it says like you let go of the thing whenever you're like, okay, I don't want any more. So again, look, you see, and it's like you don't get that much, or you get a lot. And now that's gonna be hard to get rid of, but oh well, for the sakes of showing you guys. But even just by going like this, not letting it sit, you guys can see how fast, I guess, it dissolves or it absorbs the oil. So if you guys could tell also that it actually like gives you, you know, some volume. It doesn't leave your hair just flat. So again, that's another plus. And yes, like I mentioned, again, it's that little thing that it's not the best, you know, ideal, but the cap is actually pretty secure, so you won't have, I guess, an issue. So that's pretty much it, you guys. I just wanted to share what my favorite dry shampoo has been at the moment, and especially because it's weird that I found it at, you know, Trader Joe's, like I mentioned already. But yeah, if you guys have already tried this dry shampoo, if there's any other, I guess, good dry shampoo out there that you guys would recommend me I guess trying out, just let me know, and I'll see you guys in the next one.